Okay, let's move to next part. This part will be the extra point for next week. 下礼拜这边是 extra point 啊，全对是有加总的0.3的啊，1、2、3，请你回家算。那怎么样才算答案呢？You have to write down this and test and test at least on your phone and with your name on it. Okay, I don't want just a paper write down a number. It's unfair. Or please use the Excel. 如果你是用 Excel 算的，扯上去，上面写上你的细节and take a picture. Okay, to validate is that you. I don't accept only use the paper, just write down the answer. Okay. Okay, because this is point 3.3，这是一个加分点，加1.3，蛮多的哈。所以我们先讲好规则，用 Excel 算，用 Excel formula calculate and write down your name， 因为细节让比较好分析，好吗？三个答案都对的，就是加0.3，可以吗 ？We don't accept use the paper, just write down the answer. We don't accept， 因为抄太容易了，但是答对正确的公式，相对是难的。OK， 好，那这个呢，会在上课第一堂课点完名的时候，我们就给答案。对，知道有没有了？因为是加分题。好，另外还有一个东西呢，我刚刚是有传到群组给大家。我传到群组给大家，有收到吗？我刚刚没传到吗？这个是我们系上的苏若红老师，大家认识吗？你们导师吗？不是，另外一个导师是吗？好 ，anyway， 他是我们系上的老师，也是这次的院导师的mentor of our college。他办了一个就业博览会，好，邀请同学们参加哦，可以吗？去的时候有抽大奖，我告诉你，每年我们同事是去的最多，什么 iPhone、iPad 也都是我们抽到，还记得要去哦。对，因为都是之前是老师是院导师嘛，我办的那2年就都是我们系上有抽到，啊，这次去赶快去抽奖。Okay, yes. So this is the assignment. Please follow me. We will use the file to calculate and learn how to use the Excel. Now, then we'll go to here. Assignment. Yeah. Gini index. Gini index. Use this file. Okay. Originally it's 9, but this year is originally it's 6. This year is 9. Please download it. And the date. Then that will be next week. Okay, please download it now. Not. Okay, download it. Now, please follow me. Then you will finish this assignment. It's nominal. Nominal. Is continuous. And I'll correct it just about 9. Okay, now recap. Okay, today we will demonstrate only 4 attributes. It's a data set about a zoo. It's a zoo manager. He record all the animals thing. There are total 101 animals in the zoo, different category, and use that whether you have hair, whether they have feathers, whether they have eggs, whether they have tooth, and how many legs do they have to determine whether they are mammals. 哺乳类，我这边就用 milk 啊，mammals 哺乳类不是 milk 类啊，就是它是不是喂奶的哺乳类。Then we will use the 4 attribute here. Please pay attention. I will teach you how to do. First of all, this is the count matrix. 我们叫做计数矩阵。This matrix called count. C-O-U-N-T. Count matrix. How to build the count matrix? First one, we have to know how this have to be attribute, this have to be category. So category, please put here. The attribute, please put here, attribute. It can be upside down. 不可以颠倒哦。This means he have hair and he is mammals. Means milk equals 0 and 1. Okay, so we will use the formula here. Press the equation here and put your mouse cursor here. And then we will choose. I will teach you a fasten key. 快捷键. Please find here and press the shift. 按下 shift. 按着哦，不要放。然后你的上下左右 you have the direction upside down, left and right, and upper than the height, the up. You can see a home and end, right? 键盘里面是有 home 跟 end， 请你按着 shift 加 end， 它是变成结尾模式，你有看到吗？我再取消一次，你按着 shift 加 end。就变成了结尾模式，对吧？再一次 ，shift 加 end， 又变成了 shift 加 end 是结尾模式啊。好 ，shift end 按之后松 shift 按着，然后按下，好，刚刚取消掉 shift end 按下结尾模式的时候，它就会找到 the end of the data。它就会找到资料的尾端， 可以吗？学会了吗？好，要不要再一次？要。OK。One more time。对，把游标移到这里。好，很好。然后这边我们要用一个公式叫 count。count is as。count 是计算有几个 if 条件 ，as 代表你的条件是复数。count means calculate how many. It means condition. S means conditions more than one condition. And we use the break here. The first one, we put here, here. And use the shift with and. It becomes 结尾模式 and mode, right? And the shift 按照上下左右的下，它就会到资料的底端。It will direct to the end of the data. 所以这边是 C3，然后冒号 C103，对吧 ？Okay. And use the comma. This is criteria range. We want to find the criteria. 我刚刚按录音了没？我好紧张哦。该不会没办法？有哦，这是它是1。好，E means I want the hair, which is 1. The second comma means I want another range. 好，那到上面我要第二个是同样条件 hair equal 1 and new equal 1. So I go to here. 这个是 the first row of the data. And then I also press the shift and end become 结尾模式。好，这时候 shift 压着到下，它直接会找到 H3到 H103。This part we also want 1. And then when you finish, click green, go here. Go 英文怎么讲 ？Check. 好 ，and the answer is 39. 这个39呢，就是这个范围里面跟这个范围里面符合 milk 的1，hair 的1，同时符合有39个。你的答案对了吗 ？If you have any question, please hands up. I will answer. 按了。谁是有问题的？ 接下来，then this column is nearly equal one, but here is zero，对不对？我打一次就是很笨。So we will use the copy formula here。我们要复制的，怎么复制呢？注意听。When your cursor here becomes black cross， 黑色的十字，就会往右边移了。可是它答案是错的，为什么？移到这边，它整个又往右移了，所以答案不是这样做的。那么怎么样移呢？我移过来的时候，我的栏列都不变，我只有一跟零不一样，那要怎么改？教你哦 ，Pay attention to me. Please put your cursor here. Press F4. F4. Then your column C and your row 3 will have a dollar sign. Dollar sign means lock. 同时 simultaneously lock the column and lock the line. So I use the dollar sign F4, F4, put lock column and row simultaneously. And this one the same, this one the same. Done. When I lock all the row and all the column, then we can duplicate here. And then we just to choose this column. Here is zero, here is blue, right? So this column will become 0. Okay, then your answer will be 2. And the other two, we can duplicate directly the same time. And this is here is 1, and it is 0. And this one, both are 0. Do you have any question? If you have any question, and your answer is not the same with me, please hands up. Any question, please hands up.
然后一般然后求然后就是前面那一个啊对，下面一样。也是。
Okay, now we have to do the summation. The summation we use the sum function. The sum function will combine these two. Check. Go to R43. And then fortunately, sum could be reduplicated. Pay attention to me, please. We do not lock everything. We just copy. Then it could be, we can copy the formula here because the pattern won't calculate here. And then next steps, we will use the Gini. Yeah, Gini. So this is the Gini 1, the Gini 2. Here, we will use E subscript 39 divided total, right, and square. The second one, brief first. 4 divided to 43 square. Check. The answer is correct, right? Pay attention to me. And this formula directly duplicate, copy the formula would be fine because it's just shifted. We do not lock everything. And the Gini index. Gini index need the total. So this part also need the total. So we have to examine whether they are 101. So the sum is 101. So here we use the weight. The weight is Gini 1 with plus 43 and divided to total plus the Gini 2 will plus 55 divided to 101. And this is the answer, Gini. Okay? Understand? Okay? And check the answer is correct or not. So I have already demonstrated the hair part. Then the other part, bag, act, close, is your turn. But the legs, please delete. Legs, please delete. So please use your cursor mouse. Choose all the G and press the right button of the mouse. Delete. We do not do the continuous variable here. It will be the next week. Okay. Okay. So this is the first, and then the second one is feathers. Okay, so this part will all clean. Feathers. And the third part is X. So it becomes X. And the fourth part is tools. Tools. And this is your assignment. Please write down here, use the yellow color. 请写在这边, write down here for teaching assistant. Do you think which attribute is the best for the decision tree here? According to British strategy. So, guys, please answer me. I have to choose the Gini index higher or lower? Higher or lower? Lower, yeah, because it means impurity. Okay? So for example, if I think hair is the best, I can write down hair is the best because the Gini equal here is less, but it's not sure for sure because you do not need the feathers, X and 2's. Okay? So this is the assignment. Okay, so this is assignment 9. Please do it by yourself and check. Please take a picture first. Check the answer. Are you correct and consistency with me in this stage? Otherwise, I'm afraid you will get wrong. Are you finished? Are you finished? No. Just first one? No. No. Okay. Okay. Since today, my voice is not working, so I'm not planning to go to this part. So if you finish this assignment, then upload to okay? The test one. Since today, my throat problem, so I think I was